Is your favorite Forex guru, Swaggy C, scamming Forex beginners? Let's talk about it. Hey, what's good, YouTube? I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset, where I'm documenting my wealth building journey. And in this video, we're talking about your favorite, my favorite. I actually like this guy, right? The guru, Forex guru, Swaggy C, over 550,000 YouTube subscribers, almost 600,000 YouTube subscribers. Is he doing some things he shouldn't be doing? I'll let you decide that at the end of this video as I share my experiences with you. So you got to hit that like button for the algorithm, guys. And I'll be honest, Swaggy C was maybe the first, definitely one of the first people that I saw of a black man that's just successful in this industry. I even purchased his course. He had a bundle, instantly jumped on it. Very, very valuable knowledge. Somebody that's very, very respected in this industry. And I think all that greatness went down the drain recently. Yeah. All right, so I didn't start buying stocks and investing until August 2023. It started with stocks, and later on, as you know, Forex is just another investment vehicle. And Swaggy was one of the first people I saw online. Purchased his course, subscribed to the YouTube channel, and super excited about a video that he put out saying that he was doing a world tour. Now I'm going into my second year of trading, still ironing out the wrinkles of my trading plan, but I am very, very, very excited about 2025. And that I'm pretty sure that I'm confident. I'm not pretty sure nothing. I'm confident that I will be profitable by the end of 2025. But he put out this video at the end of 2024 saying he was doing a world tour. Maybe you've seen it.
And that's why in 2025, for the 5-year anniversary of me educating the world on financial literacy and trading, I am officially going on tour. Nah, I wasn't hype enough. I said I'm officially going on a world tour. Oh shit!
And me being serious about this Forex thing, I'm turning 40 this year. I'm turning the big 4-0. I ain't playing no games. I'm definitely trying to run it up. So I was super hyped, super excited. And when I saw the video, I think I purchased my ticket about 30 days later. And I instantly dropped a comment, see you in LA. I was super juiced because I stay in Sacramento and LA isn't too far. And that's somewhere I can definitely make it to meet Swaggy C. I definitely wanted to learn more about the taxes and just some insights, man. I'm just a student to this game, very new, very hungry, very eager to learn everything that I can. So I was super excited, and I purchased the VIP ticket, which was you can meet him in person, right? I wanted to take some photos with him so I could upload some stuff for the YouTube channel, right? Notoriety, a little bit of juice for the channel, and just surrounding yourself around people that's winning in business, man. Like it's different than learning from somebody online in videos than actually seeing that person in person, right? I promise you, it is a totally different vibe. And I got to, I had the experience of doing this with other companies in the past in the digital marketing industry. So I know what it is to see people that you're learning from online, and then you get to meet these people in person and see them on stage. It is totally a totally different experience. But I ended up purchasing the middle ticket. There was 3 tiers, like the basic, VIP, and then another one which is like 5,000. And I definitely wasn't finna spend 5,000, but 1,500, I could pull that. So I pulled out my Capital One credit card and I charged it to the game, right? $1,500. I thought that was a very good investment to make in myself. And fast forward, what are we in March? We're in March. I think he was supposed to start the tour in January, February at the latest, right? Of course, you gotta iron out the wrinkles. But we in March. I haven't so much gotten one email from this brother. I ain't got no emails from you, bro. You ain't sent one email. You ain't responding to none of the comments that I'm leaving on your videos. I even sent you an email. I guess I'm gonna have to reach back out at you again and send you another email. But I got no response, y'all. No response, not whatsoever. We haven't gotten an update video on his channel about the world tour, so at this point, I'm sure that the tour isn't going to happen. That website isn't even up anymore from that video. If you click on it, it goes straight to the Deep Pockets website or whatever about his story and the services and stuff that he's selling. Kind of let me down a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. For somebody that you look up to, this so-called guru, this so-called millionaire, potentially cheating people out their money for short gains. I don't know if that was to help fund his prop firm or what. I don't know. All right. At this point, I'm chalking it up to a loss. I was gonna be petty and post hella different videos targeting his name as keywords, but you know what? At this point, I'm more focused on winning and leaving the beginner stage as a trader, and more focused on locking in on my setups, and more focused on locking in on profits, and more focused on becoming a profitable trader in 2025. That is my priority. So I was gonna be petty, that East Oakland in me was screaming out, you feel me, getting that breath, but I'm gonna charge it to the game, man. I'm gonna charge it to the game. A part of my tuition, right? Being foolish enough to trust these so-called gurus. Am I the only one though? That's really why I'm making this video. Am I the only fool that poured out their money to purchase this worldwide tour to meet this man? Am I the only one? I'm gonna keep my karma good. God is watching that, brother. Karma comes back around, and I'm gonna try to be professional. That's what I'm working on. I'm working on being professional, y'all. I'm working on being disciplined. And I really just wanted to know, am I the only person out of his over 500,000 subscribers that purchased a ticket to this Shift Season World Tour from a video that he put out back in November 2024? We're now in March, pushing towards April, and he ain't so much as sent one damn email about that event, that purchase. So I'm probably gonna send him one more email. I really just want to pay my credit card off, to be honest. I didn't have to run my credit card up. It would have been dope to have been able to meet him, take some pictures with him, and to start to grow my own audience and my voice in this industry, because I'm gonna be here for the next 20 years, for sure. I'm gonna be here for the rest of my life. This is my vehicle. So this is how I want to make money full time investing, full-time trading, full-time content creator. Anywho, I'm done with this video, man. Drop your comments, drop your feedback. Let me know if you purchased a ticket to the so-called Shift Season World Tour and your city. Drop your comment if you purchased a ticket and the city that you were going to go to, and let me know that I'm not the only one. I'm not calling him a scammer, but I also ain't saying he ain't. All we can do is keep learning and keep growing. And if you enjoy this video, I'm sure you will enjoy the next one.